said October.
What is common between Nawazuddin Siddiqui, a deer, a Vajra, which is the weapon of Indra, and Nicole Kidman? Probably nothing, but with a great stretch of the imagination and some here and there knowledge of nakshatras, I have managed to join them with a very, very thin thread. Now, I was recently watching the Bansal Murders, Raat Akeli Hai. Really enjoyed it because Nawaz as a cop on a mission is one of my favorite movie genres and it doesn't come by easily. It got me thinking which nakshatra amongst the 27 is a relentless crusader, whether it's for the truth or any passion that they have. And while there are many, because there are 27 nakshatras, one of the strongest is the most intensely intense of the Scorpio nakshatras, and it comes in at number 18 in my series of design inspiration from the nakshatras. It is Jeshtha, known as the elder star or the chief of stars. The great or rather the unique energy of Jeshtha is called Arohan Shakti, which is the ability to overcome life's circumstances. It's like a matriarch or patriarch of the family who has the wisdom of experience, and because of the battles that they have weathered and won, they have the authority to exert sort of control over the rest of the family. Planet of Jeshtha is Mercury, which gives it great communication skills as well as terrific strategizing ability. And the symbol of Jeshtha is very, very interesting. It is an umbrella which protects and shields, which makes Jeshtha the greatest protectors of all the nakshatras. I always like to think of Jeshtha as a mafia lord कि मेरा हाथ तुम्हारे सर पे हमेशा रहेगा, लेकिन ज़्यादा मेरे से चिपको मत, because this is also a nakshatra that is given to arrogance, that is given to a lot of very authoritarian behavior, very protective, but not the kind of nakshatra that you chipko and suddenly become very soppy with. It's a very authoritarian nakshatra. Another symbol of Jeshtha is the earring, which is why we took it as an inspiration for the jewel for nakshatra, which are these gorgeous 18 karat gold, not 18, 22 karat gold hoop earrings with an emerald bead symbolizing Mercury. And the motif is of the Vajra, which is Indra's weapon, because Indra is the ruling deity of Jeshtha. Did you like this jewel? If so, stay tuned for the next nakshatra, which is storm incoming in Sagittarius, Moola.